What is wrong with this girl? She going.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid.
Hey guys, we're back with another freaking video.
Hot potato 1. Hot potato 2. Hot potato 3. No, but for real, hey you guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. I do not know why I look like that, but
Wait.
hey. So I'm gonna take you on a room tour, you know. So let's go. So this is my room right
Don't fall.
now. But you know, we gonna come back. We gonna hit it with the. We are having technical difficulties.
Tell the fuck boy start doing them drugs. Tell the little bitch you can't get no hugs. Kid.
Nice going, Jerry.
Eventually.
It's already recorded.
Nigga, is you trippin'? Can't get none of this. I promise I work hard for these records. If a nigga reach for my shit, I'ma up this shit. My niggas on the rampage. Brought her to the crib real quick, then I slid, made a dip. I ain't even know her damn name. You can call me Lil Weezy, cause I keep that Drake and Glizzy, keep the Batman. Money's that tall, real tall, like Yao Ming, Yao Ming. Niggas speaking broken knees, don't know what y'all mean, what y'all mean. This bitch drip at his finest, drip. And my little bitch, she the finest. She 10, so you know I had a diamond. Yeah, when I fuck, I make it keep quiet. Run up the rush, young nigga had to get to the bag. Niggas be fake, flexing they rent. I'm in first, they ain't last. Cuffin' that thought in the city, love a boy be going outside. She a good girl at heart, but when you look, she's so damn bad. What is your problem? What is your issue? Keep talking shit, your family gon' miss you. Tall, real tall, like Yao Ming, Yao Ming. Niggas speaking broken knees, don't know what y'all mean, what y'all mean. This bitch drip at his finest, drip.
Okay, you guys, we're back. As you can see, we took like a really long break. Even the sun went down. Like, it took us way too long to be doing this. But it's because we was being lazy as usual. But, you know, it's all good.
And it ain't no lying, yeah, we keep it real in here. I don't feel no pain, cause I'm sipping this.
So while we're here, how about you guys like, comment, and subscribe?
The next day.
Okay, guys, so today I had started with my closet. And, like, yeah, y'all see I have way too many clothes, way too much stuff that I don't wear, don't use. It's just in there, so, you know, need to go ahead and empty that out, get started, because it wasn't going to get finished. Like, what's going on?
This bitch drip at his finest, drip. And my little bitch, she the finest. She 10, so you know I had a diamond. Yeah, when I fuck, I make it keep quiet.
I'ma stack my money taller than shit. Run up on me, now you finna get wet. Got my brothers, I ain't need no dad. The life I live, it can get real.
Y'all, I was so happy. Like, I could really see my closet floor. It was so clean. Like, I miss it. I wish I could go back, but I have too much stuff to put in there for storage.
And I told her I'm finna go and get the cake. Cut this shit out of sync, can't be real. No safety, my guns stay on kill. It would happen when I'm in the field. But this shit don't seem real. No. I guess this the way life is. This the way life is. I guess this the way life is. Yeah. The way life.
I'm sorry for the quality on this video. I really don't know what happened, but anyway, I'm just gonna let the music play. So
You don't know what y'all mean. This bitch drip at his finest. And my little bitch, she the finest. She 10, so you know I had a diamond. When I fall, I make her keep quiet.
So y'all, let me kid you not, I did not know taking a mattress off the bed would make such a huge difference when trying to move your bed. And yeah, y'all just saw it struggle for way too long. But anyway, we fixed it. We finally figured it out. You gotta take the mattress off in order for the bed to move.
Make it quiet. Tell the fuck boy start doing them drugs. Tell the little bitch you can't get no hugs.
20 minutes later.
Kid.
Nice going, Jerry.
Nigga, is you trippin'? Can't get none of this. I promise I work hard for these records. If a nigga reach for my shit, I'ma up this shit. My niggas on the rampage. Brought her to the crib real quick, then I slid, made a dip.
So y'all, at this point, I was fed up because I couldn't find a comforter, and yeah, just over it at this point.
I ain't even know a damn name. You can call me Lil Weezy, cause I keep that.
Why?
Now I know y'all heard that snack for real.
Drake Glizzy, keep the Batman. Money stand tall, real tall, like y'all me. Niggas speaking broken knees, don't know what y'all mean. This bitch drip at his finest. And my little bitch, she the finest.
So yes, you guys, I really did feel this blanket with my elbow. I had the gloves on, so duh.
And my little bitch, she the finest. Shit 10, so you know I had a diamond. Yeah, when I fuck.
That's why you need gloves, because you touch everything.
Coronavirus!
Just let y'all know, I hate candles, but
It's my suggestion.
Keep quiet.
Oh, dude.
Run up the rush, young nigga had to get to the back.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Had to get to the back. Niggas be fake, flexing they rent. I'm in first, they ain't last. Couple that thought in the city, lover boy be going outside.
smell, you guys.
Is that not the same thing? It took you out.
Oh God, you guys, that was nasty. Bro, it's like that baby from FAMU. If you guys go to FAMU and y'all seen like, I forgot what.
Oh, no, she didn't!
Y'all, I forgot what his name was.
Girl, that heart, but when you look, she's so damn bad. She's so damn bad. What is your problem? What is Keep talking shit.
Oh, I dare you to. They TikToking.
Chop with his freaky, I make him talk ish. That's not a threat, I swear it's a promise.
My hair.
Coming for records, I want it the much. Wanna perfect it, I want the shit polished. Talking real reckless, he must have lost it. I ain't even capping, yeah, we going up in here. And it ain't no lying, yeah, we keep it real in here. I don't feel no pain, cause I'm sipping this drink. And it's so
Okay, so we made it back from Walmart and we finally, you know, putting all the decorations and stuff up. But, you know, here we go.
And I'm sipping Easter pain. Let's go. Nigga, is you trippin'? Can't get none of this. I promise I work hard for these records. If a nigga reach for my shit, I'ma up this shit. My niggas on the rampage. Brought her to the crib real quick, then I slid, made a dip. I ain't even know a damn name. You can call me Lil Weezy, cause I keep that Drake and Glizzy, keep the Batman. Money stand tall, real tall, like y'all me. Niggas speaking broken knees, don't know what y'all mean. This bitch drip at his finest. And my little bitch, she the finest. Shit 10, so you know I had a diamond. Yeah, when I fuck, I make keep quiet.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
And I'm sipping Easter pain. Let's go. Nigga, is you trippin'? Can't get none of this. I promise I work hard for these records. If a nigga reach for my shit, I'ma up this shit. My niggas on the rampage. Brought her to the crib real quick, then I slid, made a dip. I ain't even know a damn name. You can call me Lil Weezy, cause I keep that Drake and Glizzy, keep the Batman. Money stand tall, real tall, like y'all me. Niggas speaking broken knees, don't know what y'all mean. This bitch drip at his finest. And my little bitch, she the finest.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, rap.